Welcome to Acacia Heights luxury development in the Res Nature Estate. This 4-bedroom double-story house offers state-of-the-art finishes perfect to fit the stylish family. A soft runway light welcomes you into this home. Our local Lowveld architect Jannie Miller did an outstanding job in creating this space, allowing plenty of natural light into the house from all angles. The exquisite built-up kitchen is imported from Germany and rates first class in terms of looks, quality and functionality, and comes complete with rotating corner units, soft closed drawers with spaces to keep everything neat and in place. Appliances include a 5-plate Bosch gas hob, built-in oven and microwave. The open-plan living area flows to the covered patio, which has a well-sized stainless steel built-in braai and ample space to host guests while enjoying the sunset. The study is situated on the ground floor, has built-in cupboards with a stylish oak veneer countertop. With 3 bedrooms on the second level, you have the guest room downstairs next to the study with its own luxury ensuite bathroom. On the first floor, all the bedrooms have their own balconies with amazing views of the Lowveld. All bathrooms are fitted with modern steel mirrors to suit the style of the house. All the bedrooms have high-quality engineered wooden floors imported from Scandinavia. The main bedroom is large enough to fit a king-size bed with bedside tables and offers built-in cupboards as well as an elegant full ensuite bathroom with his and hers basins. All the doors are custom made to suit the extra high ceilings and overall design of the house. Furthermore, the ceilings are high and ceiling fans are installed. This home also comes with an energy-sufficient heat pump. This property will not be complete without the beautiful low-maintenance irrigated landscape garden. Are you ready to move in? Browse our website for the rental and sale options of these luxury homes.